So the home business add-on, effective August 1st. So we still will have our advice and consultation, and I'll break down the benefit here for you in a few minutes. This is just kind of high level. We're still able to get the same 12 letters or phone calls a year. We're still able to get 4 contracts or documents up to 25 pages. That's a big document for a home business supplement, or for a home business add-on, sorry. So you can do up to 4 contracts or documents per month. You can also have up to 4 collection letters per month. You're still going to be able to have 3 designated consultations for things like trademark, copyright, those type of things. You still have your IRS Schedule C and Schedule E. We've added 3 e-notaries and 10 e-signatures. That in purple is what we've added. Everything in black is the same thing we're marketing in the HBS today that we are going to be offering in the home business add-on August 1st, but we've increased it with e-notary and e-signature. Now, the target audience is very clear. I've been trying for quite some time to really get us as a whole, as a family, to understand that this plan was designed for people just like us. This plan was designed for independent contractors or independent associates, startup businesses, entrepreneurs, right? Very small family owned and operated businesses from home, right? This really is the target of this particular plan. Always has been. But as we kind of evolved, we kind of moved away from it a little bit. And that's why we really need to bring it back, because we have 3 business plans